Yesterday we had a live call on the Discord server. Yes, we do have a Discord server for this channel. Best way to reach out to me if you have any questions, best way to hang out with other sellers. And so yeah, we had a live call where we talked about a lot of stuff. We all learned a lot. I also learned a lot. So if I learned a lot, and if you are watching this video, you're probably a beginner. If I learned a lot from other people, you are gonna probably learn a lot as well if you join this call. Now, I don't know when we're gonna do the next one, but just join, we'll figure it out. We'll figure out a schedule. And yeah, so on this live call, as I said, we talked about FBM shipping because a lot of people had questions about FBM shipping. We talked about a lot of other subjects, but this is one of the subjects that really sticked out and that people were really interested in. So I'm going to share with you my process when it comes to FBM shipping, how much you should budget depending on each product. And yeah, let's start. So to make it easy, anything below 8 hours, just budget $4. You're gonna ship those products first class. I mean, if it's small, if it's big, if it's really big, just don't sell it FBM. But yeah, anything below 8 hours, budget $4, you're gonna ship it first class. All right. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna get a polymailer. Let me find one. Yeah, you're just gonna get a polymailer. You're gonna print your label and you're gonna stick your label inside on the polymailer. So this is the polymailer I use. Here it is. It's small, 13 by 9. Yeah, use that for anything that's below 8 hours, and anything also, like basically you use that for anything that's below 1 pound. All right, because anything from 8 hours to 1 pound, you're gonna spend just budget $6. You're gonna send it same thing first class. Sometimes it's gonna tell you to do it through UPS. Just check which one is cheaper. Okay, check which one is cheaper. Purchase your shipping through Amazon. You're gonna be able to have a cost comparison of all the services, but most time than not, it's gonna be USPS. All right, so for anything that's above 1 pound, you're gonna use these things. All right, you can grab them at your local USPS office. There's a couple of different ones. I'm gonna show them to you. It's the flat rate envelope, right? So it doesn't matter how heavy is one thing, like how heavy is your product. If you can put it inside one of those envelopes, you're gonna pay a flat rate. So it's like $8 something depending on which one, which service, which envelope you use. So I think I'll write down everything. Yeah. So the flat rate envelope, this one, which is a little bit smaller, you can see it, you're gonna pay $8.05. All right. The padded envelope, all right, really good for fragile product. You're gonna pay $8.80. All right. And this one, the legal flat rate envelope, it's a little bit bigger than the flat rate envelope. That you can see right here, it's a little bit bigger, and you're gonna pay the flat rate, you're gonna pay $8.35. All right, so if you can fit your product into it, like, and guys, like just really try to fit it in. Like, it's super easy. Like, most of your products is gonna fit in if it's more than 1 pound, except if you sell some really big stuff. But like, I would encourage you to stay away from those stuff, from those products. Yeah, if it fits inside, you're gonna pay the flat rate. Like, just like really try to make it fit. It's super easy. Like, for all your products, you're gonna be able to do it, except if you sell one of the products I can think of that are sold like this, but it was not on Amazon. It was on eBay. It was a soccer ball, and then you're gonna pay a little bit more. You're gonna pay above $10 for anything that you put inside of a box, right? But yeah, if you have products that are more than 1 pound, try to stick with smaller products. And if not, in my opinion, it's not worth it. It's a headache. Yeah, just try to put them inside one of those 3, and you'll figure it out. You'll be able to get pretty much to know pretty much how much you're gonna spend on shipping. So, when there's a few exceptions, right? There's a few exceptions. So when you have a small product, let's say you have a small product that you put inside this polymailers. If they go to California, sometimes Amazon is going to tell you to use flat rate shipping. So it does not make any sense for you because it's a lot more money. And like it's going to throw your cost off, right? So what you can do in that case, for anything that's like under 1 pound, right? Because it's going to be more expensive for you if you do not do this. What you can do is you can create an account on, let's go into the computer. You can create an account on Pirate Ship. right? So with Pirate Ship, you can buy shipping cheaper. And so what you can do is, because Amazon will not let you will not let you decide, will not let you choose to go with a first class just mailing label, so you can just use a Polymero and you do not have to use the priority envelope. So what you can do is check on Pirate Ship and just check if the estimated delivery falls into the delivery window that Amazon gives you. This is why they tell you to actually go, because if, like, for example, I'm in Florida, if I ship to California, if I don't use these, if I use first class, it may be delayed, it may take a little bit more time, and the customer may not have their product in time. So this is why Amazon wants you to send the product with a flat rate envelope with priority mail. You do not have to do it all the time. Most of the time, you'll be able to just purchase a first class package, and then you just enter the tracking number onto Amazon, and you'll be fine. Just make sure that it falls onto the delivery window, and you'll be fine. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to FBM shipping. I hope this video was helpful. Go to your local USPS, pick up those things, like just empty their stock. Or if not, you can just order them on their website. It's super easy, and they will drop it at your house for free. So do this, get a little bit of, like, get a little stock of those things. Get the boxes as well if you want to. I do not ship with the boxes. It depends on what products you actually sell FBM, but I've never had to use it, right? So pretty much everything fits into those things. Like, the only thing I can think that will not fit is if you sell, like, for example, caps, stuff like that are a little bit bigger. But most of, like, 90% of your needs will be filled by just learning how to use those 3 envelopes and just getting some polymeros. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. New video every day at 3 p.m. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, all that stuff. I'll see you tomorrow.